Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to connect an LG TV to Alexa step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check TV compatibility. Make sure your LG TV supports Alexa. Most LG smart TVs running Web OS 4.0 or later are compatible. Your TV must also be connected to the internet. Step 2. Prepare required apps and accounts. You'll need the LG ThinkQ app and the Amazon Alexa app installed on your smartphone. Sign in to both apps using the same email account associated with your LG TV and Amazon account. Step 3. Enable Alexa on your LG TV. Turn on your LG TV and go to Settings, then select Connection or General, and enable the Alexa feature if it's not already active. Step 4. Open the Alexa app. Launch the Amazon Alexa app on your phone. Tap More, then select Skills and Games. Step 5. Enable the LG ThinkQ skill. Search for LG ThinkQ in the Skills and Games section and tap Enable to use. Sign in with your LG account and allow the necessary permissions to link your TV. Step 6. Discover your LG TV. After linking, Alexa will automatically search for your LG TV. If not, tap Discover Devices in the Alexa app or say, Alexa, discover my devices. Step 7. Test Alexa voice commands. Once discovery is complete, try commands like Alexa, turn on the TV, Alexa, change the volume, or Alexa, switch to HDMI 1 to confirm everything is working. Your LG TV is now connected to Alexa and ready for hands-free voice control. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more smart home tutorials and step-by-step guides.